wala akong tulog, no? Ganito na naman ang buhay natin bilang mananakbo. Hindi na naman tayo nakakatulog ng maayos. Pero ang planning na mag-stretching muna. Wait lang. Stretching muna tayo, Vod. Let's go. After stretching na tayo. Pila na tayo sa guns. Sa ano? Starting line. Wala pa yung kapatid ko si Tom. Supposed to be sabay kami ngayon. Kaso may problema yung shock ng motor niya, kaya hindi na ako mangkas. Baka kung ano pa kasi mangyari. Tulong isip akong iihiba ako. Kaya check ko muna kung konti lang yung tao. Tara. Orange and pink. Let's go. Punta tayo sa starting line, guys. Tara.
Dilaw yung 10K, dilaw yung...
So, nagbabal dyan pumitik ng injury natin, guys. Pag naman sana. Bukas pa lang ako pupunta para sa therapy. Yun na yung takbo. In-game na naman tayo. Magtakbo-takbuhan. Tara. Okay, stretching naman na tayo. Nakanis! Miss ko to.
Good morning, runners, and welcome to the South Shore Run for Wellness 2026. How are we feeling?
Big cheer, runners, how are we feeling? We have a lot of announcements and special treats during our awarding ceremony later on, and we're going to, of course, be awarding our top finishers. And with that, please do your final checks. We are under 1 minute before we send you off. Shoelaces, you check them. Bibs, 3 seconds. At about 20 before I let you go. First timers, welcome. 15 seconds. Runners, are you ready? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Barangay Last 3. So, last 3 guys. Pumipitik na yung injury ko. Okay ba? Last 3. Let's go! Morning po! Morning! Thank you! Last 3.
Ako kukuha niyan to.
Ayaw magkasya. Ayun lang natin dito. Okay. So we're almost done. Last 3 guys. Let's go.
Distance 7.5 kilometers. Time 1 hour 9 minutes.
Yay! Thank you so much. Ang ganda ng medal ngayon. Okay, may bingo card na rin pala. Let's go. Ay, bakit? Dito lang finisher shirt which is grapes. Ano yung finisher shirt niya? Last year, blue.